Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a designer unboxing and it has Chanel, Hermes, and YSL. Those are just small items, but it's just fun to have. First up, we're gonna start with Chanel. And I got this number 5 Chanel from Las Vegas and it came with this packaging. And inside has this beautiful tin case. It's not actually the tin part is only the cover, and this one is more like a thick durable cardboard, and it has this number 5 shower gel, and it is just a beautiful bucket, and this one really smells so good. So it comes with these small pockets where you can use it when you shower, and it smells really good. It's like a powdery scent of Chanel number 5 perfume that first came in long time ago, and right now it came with this shower gel that smells really good, and it's a lot, guys. And this is $75, and I think it's too pricey for shower gel, but this is a collector's item and I would love to have it. So I'm glad that my SA in Vegas has this, and this just came from the mail yesterday, and I'm so happy to have this. I saw this YSL palette and I really love the packaging of the palette, that even though I'm not really good in putting eyeshadows, I got one, and it came with this beautiful quilted chevron pattern, and this is made of man-made material, but it's made really well, and it has a YSL logo here. And the color, I got this in Paris shades, and the other one is Marrakesh, I think, in also black and gold palette. And there's also another one in beige with silver YSL hardware, and the Marrakesh one comes in this black and gold, and the one that the colors that Marrakesh has is more like jewel tones color, while this Paris has like the browns and the pinks, which I really love. So as you can see, I've used this already, and the color stays all day, and I really love playing with these colors. And I'm planning to pop this out and maybe use this as a clutch where you can put just your cards and maybe a lipstick placed in a flat like circle creamy lipstick. I can put it inside of this beautiful palette, which can serve also as a clutch, and it's very substantial, and I really love this, guys. If you are interested in this palette, you can get this now for 30% off. I bought this for $120 without any discount, but right now if you will go to yslbeautyus.com, you'll have a 30% off by putting in summer 21 under the coupon code. Beautiful guys, highly recommend it. And I also got this YSL lipstick from Nordstrom, and this has also 40% off right now. There's no need for the coupon code. All you need to do, go to YSL lipstick and you will find this in there. And this is the shade 102. And I think this is from their holiday collection, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that, guys, but I love that this one has the stars. I have one lipstick that looks like this also, and this is more like a fusion of the lipstick and a lip balm, which I love. It doesn't stays on the lips, but it just keeps my lips hydrated, and I like this better than the matte lipstick. So yeah, this comes in stars around it, while the plain ones doesn't have the stars around. And this is only like $22 from $38, which is good. I bought another one because this one is for my dresser, and the other one I'll put it in my bag. And the shade is like a red, beautiful red color, which is not that really deep red, as this is more like in a balm texture rather than the matte that really stays on the lips. So I really like this color, and I also used this today, and I love it so much that I ordered another one. So this is about the lipstick. Next up is this Chanel small box, and if you follow me on Instagram, I unbox it in there, so already know what it is. And this one is an item for summer, and it came in this beautiful quilted case with magnet and has a Chanel black logo here. And inside is this beautiful sunglasses that has white color here on top and on the bottom, and also around the frame. And it has a Chanel marking here, which is an inlay. It's not printed, but more like an inlay, white Chanel spelled out. So if you will feel it like this, you can really feel the letters, as it's not painted, but it's inlaid inside the frame. And this one is the barcode. When I went to chanel.com to purchase this is out of stock, and I asked my SA if he has this. I really love this, guys. It's oversized and it just sits on my face and fold down, and I just love the combination of the black and the white. And I don't know how did they come up with this white color, because it doesn't look like it's painted. So it looks like this frame starts with a white color and then they painted black around it. And here has Chanel etched to it on top. And this is my second Chanel sunglasses, as I have one that I have years back, and this is it, guys. This is my old one, and it's kind of similar, I think. Yeah, if you look at it, it's kind of similar. Maybe that's why I love this. But this one is in brown color, and at the back has this CC here. I also love this sunglasses, and I think Chanel sunglasses are worth really the investment. And I got this for $545 US retail. And with tax, I paid $567.51. So that's in US dollars. And it's called, the description of this sunglasses is called Exo Square Sunglasses Acetate. So that's what it says here in my receipt. And I also thought of this beautiful quilted case that has like a felt material here inside, because Chanel also had the sunglasses case that came out, and I think you can also convert this with a chain here. This is kind of similar with the sunglasses case that Chanel has in leather. Well, this one is in man-made material, and you can also like put it crossbody like so. And if you're gonna put the sunglasses in, it will look like this. And there's also room for cards if you have cards in, and maybe a lipstick here. You can also put a lipstick inside and use this as a crossbody bag or sunglasses case. This is just cute, guys. So this is so cute, and the sunglasses is substantial. I love it. This also comes in white. It's just a pretty sunglasses. The last box is from Hermes, and it's just a small Hermes box, and let's open it together. And I've never thought that I will be able to buy this, because it just doesn't make sense, guys. If I don't know, we'll just look at it. So came with this card, and this is the receipt, and I got this from Hermes.com for $185 US. And this is more like a sushi plate, guys. It's so pretty. I use this to store my jewelries in here. Catch all for my jewelry that I use every day. After I use my jewelry, I put my Chanel bracelet here, and then my Cartier watch. And it's just so fun to look at, guys. I don't know, like it doesn't make sense at all, but it just makes me happy to see my daily jewelry that I use, and it's just so easy to see it all at once. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like with everything, with my rings and the watch, and it looks like this. So you get the idea. If you're gonna put your jewelry in here, this serves as a catch-all, and it's beautiful, guys. I've used this already and I haven't seen any scratches at all. I put all my daily jewelries in here each time I'm done using it. This bracelet, I don't usually remove this from my wrist. However, my watch, the Cartier watch, this Chanel bracelet, and also my Cartier rings and my wedding ring or engagement ring, I put it all in here. So it looks like this. So pretty. So what do you think of this, guys? I know it's not practical, but you know, if it makes you happy, then just go for it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciated all of you, and stay safe, everyone, and please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Bye.